Hey y'all, hope you're having a beautiful day. Got some wood pieces. I have a Dollar Tree crate. I have Dollar Tree picket fence. And some very nice wood cutouts. So we'll see. I haven't committed to what I'll put on the front, but I have a nice idea for a cute little hanger, and I think it's going to look amazing. Something different. How well loved are your paints? Okay, I don't know exactly what color the fence will be yet, but I do know I'm going to do red, white, and blue. I've seen a couple other crafters do it too. I'm going to tape off the sides because that's just me, and if you haven't noticed, I have slight OCD, and I'm excited to share this craft, y'all. I have a vision in my head, and I feel like I can get it out. So my trick with getting nice tight lines, I peeled the tape like right after I was done with the white, like immediately. And now I'm going to let the white completely dry. Like I'm going to let this sit overnight, and in the morning I'll do tape around the white, but because it's dry, it's not going to peel up on us, and I'll be able to pull the red and the white at the same time. One piece of tape. See you in the morning. Alright, here we go on the fence. So, this has completely dried. We have red, white, and blue. I did the top inside of the rim in case you could see it. I'll have this be my front facing side. The fence we did in the Waverly wax. I'm going to use our Dollar Tree wood glue. We'll attach it. And we just have a cute little hanger. I don't know what'll go in it yet. What would you hang in it?